add some fruits and nuts to the trees. So everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. One more friend will be joining him, and here comes Edric, our scarlet macaw. And now, macaws like them, they can be found in the jungles of South America. Now, going back to Gaia, Gaia here is one of the 4 blue macaw species that can be found in the world. And here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have 3 of them on exhibit, so do head down to the parrot paradise to visit them. Now, after feasting, these birds, they will fly to rocky surfaces such as this to lick up or play or chop. And this will help them in the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Looks like they are still up there, but don't worry, that is going to be their next stop, right? Oh, hi Calvin, look who we have here.
Now this is Ippy, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Ippy is Jurong Bird Park Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Now he's so environmentally conscious that he only uses reusable containers, utensils and cups. Now speaking about cups, Howard, imagine if you are a drink seller. Here's a drink seller's hat for you.
A drink seller?
Okay, very good. Now, and you want to give Ippy a disposable plastic cup to drink from. Ippy will return it to you.
A disposable cup just like this?
Exactly like this. Okay, watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Ippy, would you like to drink from a single-use plastic cup like that? If you don't want, you can give it back to her.
Oh!
You see?
Wow, he returns me the cup!
Very good. Now this time you give him a reusable cup, but you put in a single-use plastic straw. Guess what? Ippy will only return her the straw. Watch this.
A
you have something like
reusable
that?
cup and a straw?
Okay, very good.
Okay.
You have everything. Okay,
Oh.
very good. Ippy, reusable cup, but there's a single-use plastic straw over there. What do you want to do with that? Aha, you see? I told you.
Look at that. He returns me the straw.
Well done. If you're wondering how is he going to drink without the straw, get your video cameras ready and watch this. Look, look, look.
Whoa, he drinks straight from the cup. Good job, Ippy.
Well done, Ippy. Now, plastic has actually invaded our waters to the extent that there will be more plastic than fishes by the year 2050. In fact, plastic waste has killed over 1 million birds and animals every single year. That is why they're known as the deadliest monsters of our waters.
Oh no, that is such an alarming rate. We should all help to fight these deadliest monsters by reducing single-use plastic. Just like Ippy, we should refuse plastic straws and plastic cups by bringing our own reusable cups and containers when we buy takeaway food. And we should also avoid using single-use plastic by bringing our own reusable bag when we go shopping. Now Calvin, let me return this hat to you.
Okay, I got my own bag. Thank you very much.
Calvin, this is a single-use plastic.
Oh.
Okay, we should use a reusable bag just like this, okay?
Okay, very good. Let's recycle plastic bags like this.
And in goes the hat.
Thank you very much.
Alright, let's give Ippy and Calvin a round of applause. Calvin! Calvin!
Yeah.
Don't forget your bag!
Oh, thank you.
Alright, for the next segment, we'll be joined by our beautiful birds. So during this act, please remain seated and do not try to reach out to touch the birds, alright? Now looks like our first volunteer is in position. Now everyone keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome our Togo toucans! Now Togo toucans, they are the largest in the toucan family, easily recognizable by their large and orange beaks. Now despite having large beaks, these birds, they remain agile in flight. And to demonstrate that, Sheena will be making her way to the center volunteer and will be tossing 2 fruits right up high. So let's see if the toucans can catch it, alright? Okay, Sheena, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was a great catch. One more toucan. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Wow, birds up close as the population number in the world have been declining due to poaching and deforestation. Or you can simply help by supporting your local conservation efforts. Alright, this is Mrs. Axel and this is Mr. Axel, our husband and wife team. Now they are very loyal to one another and it's time for them to head back home. So I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna place them on the stump right here. Pao Pao is his name. Now Pao Pao means baby or precious in Mandarin. So before Pao Pao begins, he needs everyone to do something for him. He's asking everyone to keep quiet because the sounds he's going to make are rather soft, okay? Alright, Pao Pao, are you ready to do the first sound? What's this? That sounds like someone knocking on the door, right? So when someone knocks on the door, what do you ask? Who is it? Well, Pao Pao, I think it's a very fierce neighbor, the dog. Not a very fierce dog, right? It sounded more like a cute little puppy. Now not only that, he can also copy high-tech sounds, so everyone guess what this is. What's this? Yes, that's the sound of the telephone. So when the telephone rings, you pick it up and you say hello. 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 There you go, very nice and sweet hello from Pao Pao. Now he can also copy human sounds that you and I make. So when you are sad, you won't cry. Right? I'm going to cheer him up, I'm going to tickle him, and then he's going to laugh. There you go. That is how Pao Pao laughs. Now here he's also learning to sing a line of the birthday song. So by any chance, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise your hands if it's a birthday. Anybody from this side? No one? How about the middle? Birthday. Okay, we have one young lady right up there. Anybody else? 2, 3. Okay, how about the people on this side? 4. Okay, so for the 4 of you, Pao Pao, can you sing for them, please? Happy birthday to you. That was a little bit too fast. Can we sing together? Okay, let's do this one more time. Come on. Happy birthday to you. There you go. Okay, on your own, one last time. Come on. You done? What's up there? I don't see anything up there. Okay, you gotta sing the song one more time. Hi. One more time, come on. I don't know. No. We're not done yet. Okay, come on. One last time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. There you go. Can we give Pao Pao a big hand, everyone? And thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the bird park. Okay, it's time for Pao Pao to head back home, but before that, he has something really nice to say to everyone. Okay, you can say it now. Come on. What's this? Hi. I love you. Ah, yes. I love you. One last time. I love you. There you go. We all love you too, Pao Pao. Okay, be a good boy. Can you wave and say bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 There you go. Well done, Pao Pao, our yellow-named Amazon parrot. Okay, so after hearing Pao Pao perform, you might actually want to purchase one as a pet, but please do think twice, okay? If not even thrice, because it branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. So on my hand, I have Vega, the scarlet macaw. Shortly, we will be joined by Kaya, our blue and yellow vegetation of the rainforest, okay? So this time, both birds will be taking off from 2 different ends of the stage and hopefully meet each other's flight path somewhere in that center hoop. But since Kaya is still quite new in the show, she will be doing a warm-up flight first to boost her confidence, okay? Alright, so Sheena, whenever Kaya is ready. Let's, off he goes. First hoop, second hoop, and there you go! Can we give Kaya a big hand, everyone? Well done! Okay, so this time around, both birds will be taking off almost at the same time. Okay, let's see if they can meet each other somewhere in that center hoop. Once again, please sit down. I need everyone to remain seated. Thank you very much. Okay, Sheena, is Kaya ready? Okay, on your go. Okay, Kaya missed the last hook. Okay, let's give her another chance. Okay, so once again, volunteers, please stay still, okay? Alright, there you go. Let's give the birds a breather first, alright? Okay. Is she ready? Alright, once again on your cue. And there you go! They did it! Thank you very much, Sheena and Kaya. Thank you! Good job, Vega! Now as you can see, Vega is still here on my hand because he has one final flight to do. Hawa, what are you doing to the hoop? You're making it smaller. How? Can I see? Okay, let's look at her, okay? Alright. Is she gonna fly through that hoop? Even smaller. Oh, okay. Are you sure? Yes? Okay. You wanna do it instead? Okay, alright. She's very confident because macaws, they have streamlined bodies which allows them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers or predators. Okay, so everyone, Vega needs to focus. Are you ready, Vega? Okay, some final adjustments for center volunteer. There you go. And off he goes. One, two, Vega has done it! Can we give Vega another round of applause, everyone? Shot money, just like this. Zonda, Zonda,
Zonda.
louder! Stop, Saad. Oh, Saad said you guys can be louder later on, okay? Now the rest of you on this side, you will support Barry, our green-winged macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name. Barry, Barry! So, what was it? Sheena likes it. Tell me who's the winner? Barry! Good job, Barry! Well done. Stop. Yes? It's just a warm-up start, sis. You're not satisfied? Okay, let's ask everyone. Okay, Saad wants one more game. Can we have one more? Yes. Let's give Zonda here a second chance, okay? Alright, so we have 4 fruits for Zonda and 4 fruits for Barry. Okay, Zonda supporters, come on guys, you have to cheer louder. Ready, go! Fantastic job. Thank you very much, Zonda and Barry. A playful applause. Now in a very short while, we will be having ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage. So let's get started. First up to Africa, we have a great white pelican. In Europe, we have a Dalmatian pelican. Come on, guys. Now, back to Africa. Birds with their sexy long legs. Our greater flamingos. end of the show. Now, if you would like to take pictures with our